Well, the Hanover bald eagles have a new mouth to feed. One of the 2 eggs in the nest hatched today, and at around noon, one of the adults delivered lunch for the hungry and wobbly little eaglet. Oh,
he's so cute.
The bald eagle nest at Codorus State Park in York County is live streamed 24/7 with high-def cameras, so you can always watch this anytime yourself. Oh, there's a close-up of the little eaglet, which could have a sibling soon. Oh, God, I can look at that all day. The second egg should hatch by Thursday.
Oh, my goodness. They are one of my favorite birds of prey.
And
so cute. I just
look at that teeny little beak. And he's fuzzy like a Q-tip.
He is. Oh, my goodness. I look forward to watching them grow up. All right.